Yeah. So just like the if else statement, one more statement we have which we can use, and that is the switch case statement. But the question is where when we can use it. So when the case is checked the equality only, no greater than, no less than, कुछ भी नहीं, ठीक है, no greater than, no less than, only the case of the equality. In that case we can use the which case statement. So how to use that? So just like vowel. So in vowel what was there? If ch is equal to small a. So it is a equality case. We are not checking greater than, less than. The similar way, if I ask you to write a program, to write a program to, okay, print the month name, print the month name. So the question is, write a program to print the month name from the entered for the entered number. So what we are going to do, we are going to, your output screen should something like this. Here we will ask enter number. Here user will enter any number. Suppose it has entered 1. प्रिंट कुछ ऐसा होना चाहिए, associated month is January. Suppose उसने बोला 2, तो associate month is February. ऐसा प्रिंट होना चाहिए. प्रॉब्लम समझ में आया? डेफिनेशन समझ में आई सबको? व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is our next program, that print a month name for the entered number, and your output screen should be something like this. If I ask you to do the same program using the if else, how will you do it? First you will take one integer no, then clear screen, then you will take that number from the user, enter number, scanf, person D, one person N. And after that what you will do? If N is equal to 1, तो क्या प्रिंट करना है? प्रिंट January. Else if NO is equal to 2, तो क्या प्रिंट करेंगे? प्रिंट February. Right? This way. So पूरा प्रोग्राम ऐसे. So 12 times I need to take the if else. समझ में आया सबको? Everyone? First,
Yes, ma'am.
Indeed,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
one variable integer no. Then after taking the variable, printf statement, enter number, scanf statement, person d, person. We have to check the given entered number is associated with which month. So if number is equal to 1, then print January. Else if number is equal to, then print February. And like this. So how many 12 else if I need to use?
12.
12 times.
12, right? I need
Else
12
if you have to use 11, no?
if matlab total if conditions. It is like total conditions. When I say else if, it means total conditions. So total 12 conditions we are going to check, and at the end we'll write the else. What if there is 13 or a 14? What we can print?
No month is available.
हाँ, ऐसा प्रिंट करवा सकते हैं, और ऐसा भी प्रिंट करवा सकते हैं, एंटर अ करेक्ट नंबर. है ना, between 1 to 12 ऐसा भी प्रिंट करवा सकते हैं,
Yes, ma'am.
कैंटर नंबर between कुछ भी, राइट. सो दिस इज द एल्स केस. नाउ द क्वेश्चन you have to answer, can I write all these conditions in a single if? Only yes or no I want. You
No,
can
ma'am.
type in the chat window as well.
No, ma'am.
No. Anyone for yes?
लिख तो सकते ही है ना मैम.
यस मैम लिख
नो
सकते
मैम.
हैं.
नो नो मैम.
No. Chitvir.
मैम लिख
Yes,
सकते
sir.
हैं पर मीन्स हमको एरे टाइप करना पड़ेगा. मीन्स हर नंबर के लिए.
जय हमने अभी तक वो चीजें नहीं सीखी है, सो प्लीज डोंट यूज दिस टाइप ऑफ वर्ड्स एंड ऑल, ठीक है, बाकी बच्चे कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे.
ओके मैम.
जहां तक मैंने सिखाया है क्या उसको यूज करके कैन वी डू दिस, ये मेरा क्वेश्चन था. अभी जैसे कि इसके पहले प्रोग्राम में वी सो दैट मल्टीपल एल्स इफ वर देयर बट वी combine all the else if conditions in a single if. Can I do the same in this program? That is my question. And Chitvir and Swapnil said yes. Chitvir.
Yes ma'am.
Can you please explain how will we do this? Can you explain me? Swapnil,
यस मैम.
please explain how will we do that? अब ऐसा हो तो you can just tell me code. I'll write here. बोलो कैसे करेंगे? This is the code. You said yes, so I need the solution.
Oh sorry मैम नहीं कर सकते.
किसने
यस मैम
बोला?
नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि मैम
क्योंकि
जो
हर एक
पहले
का
वाले
अलग
प्रोग्राम में
आउटपुट आने वाला है स्कूल से सब.
चलो देर आए दुरुस्त आए. Yes. So see, here we have different outputs. So we cannot write all the conditions in a single statement. We have to write it separately. Right? Everyone, समझ में आया?
यस मैम.
Okay.
Yes ma'am.
Good. So the same thing, because it's an equality check, we can also use the switch case. चलो देखते हैं how to do that. So यहीं से start करना पड़ेगा हमें. दिस यहाँ से जैसे कि scanf तक तो सेम टू सेम रहेगा, बट नाउ इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस इफ कोड वी विल राइट switch case. So how to do that? So the syntax is something like this, small letters हैं सब कुछ. Switch in the bracket, here we write the case, then case statements जितने भी cases है, and at the end we write the default and bracket. So this is the syntax of switch case statement. So how to implement it for our program? Switch. First we will write switch. Okay. Case का मतलब यहाँ पे होता है which variable we are going to check. So okay, which variable we are checking? No, right? No is the case. So in the bracket we will write switch no, means we have to check the value of no. Okay. After that, case. What is the first case? If case is equal to 1, तो करना है 1 मतलब the number, जो ये वाला, this, ये number is equal to 1. So here we are not going to use any of the conditional operator, 1, 2, 3, all this. Case 1, and simply what we are going to do, print January. Okay. The next case is case 2. Case 2 मतलब number is equal to 2. If number is equal to 2, print Feb. And like that for all the 12. But what if the entered number is not between 1 to 12? We need to execute the default case. And in the default case, we can write whatever we want to write. Like not month not available, or enter the enter correct value, or wrong input, anything we can print and close. So this is the syntax of switch case and this is our code. समझ में आया सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So your today's job is to do 2 programs. आप लोग करोगे एक vowel using if else और दूसरा करेंगे month वाला प्रोग्राम using switch case. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. So ये दोनों प्रोग्राम्स के आउटपुट आज या कल तक ग्रुप में शेयर कर देना. और हाँ, ये सारे प्रोग्राम्स जो भी आप लोग कर रहे हो, just a minute. Okay, any query, any doubt regarding these programs?
No, ma'am.
Okay.